Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about cleaning optics. When you're cleaning your optics, you always want to use a nice lens cleaning cloth. Never use your cotton t-shirt or pants or really any clothing item. It's just going to cause microabrasions on the optic lenses, and over time that's going to wear down your coatings. It's going to affect clarity. Don't do it. Use an approved lens cloth. It's the only way to clean your glass, clean your optics. So where I usually start, I'll just kind of take a look at the glass, see if anything, big is sitting on a big chunk of dust or something. And then I like to use the small compressed air, where this comes in handy. Just blows air on them. So I'll just do that on all my lenses. So once I'm done with that, I will take a brush, a little lens brush, and I'll just brush them off. Typically we'll turn them upside down like so, so anything it brushes will come off the optics. Try and stay on the glass so you're not picking stuff up off the body. Sometimes it's hard to avoid, but it's just what I would recommend doing. And I'll just take some lens cleaning solution. Make sure that the solution you used is approved for optics. If you're not sure about a certain brand or solution, check with your optics manufacturer. I know most of those, most companies, Swarovski, Zeiss, Vortex, they build little lens cleaning kits. So what I'll do from there, I'll take this solution and I'll just put a small dot, just follow the directions, just put a drop on a soft lens cloth, and I'll just take my finger like that in the wet portion, and I'll just kind of swipe around the lens like so. You can see we definitely had some buildup on there, and then I will just pull that off of the glass like that. There you go. So that one's done, and with how dirty that was, I'm just gonna find a new spot. So this is a new fresh Phone Skope lens cleaning cloth. Just drop another dot on there and go ahead and gonna just pick up all that dust. Lens wasn't as bad as the other. And then we'll just take a dry section and I will just clean that off. So there you go. That's all there is to it. I mean, the biggest thing is just making sure you use the proper kind of lens cleaning cloth. We do have a few different brands that we sell. We've got a Spuds cloth. I really like these. It's nice and handy. But camera lens look pretty good. We've got just a little spot there. So just like with the binoculars, I'll just take a small drop on the cloth. There it is. And just give that a little buff, and give it a little buff, a little polish. Because I have seen guys, they'll send us pictures and you can tell that, the lens was dirty, their optics were dirty. If you want to get the best images possible, you're gonna want to make sure that your camera lens is clean and that your optics are clean. So before you head out the next time, guys, check your camera, make sure there's no fingerprint smudges, and check your optics, make sure they're nice and clean. It's gonna improve your image quality like you can't believe, especially if you are using a dirty camera or dirty optics. But thanks for watching. If you have questions, send us an email, support@phoneskope.com. You can also give us a call, 800-790-4480. Drop us a comment below, like if you would. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please let us know. And make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel.